So hello guys, welcome back to the new video, and here I'm going to tell you about one of the prompt marketplace where you can create your prompts and sell it to the audience here. So this is the place that is called promptbase.com, where you can sell the prompts of DALI and GPT, then Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, ChatGPT prompts, etc, etc. So this is very amazing tool, and just come to this website, that is promptbase.com, and then create your account, and then there is an option given in the nav bar, then sell. So here you can just select the type of prompt that you wanted, the name of that particular prompt, then description, and then your estimated price. So this is very simple, and just you can create a very good amount of money in dollars, and if you are Indian, it is very profitable because you are earning it into the dollars. So I have already listed some of my prompts that I would like to tell you, and some of the featured prompts just you can see here. This is the Midjourney prompt, and just let's get into it and then see what this particular seller is selling. So these are the particular images created by this particular seller, and the word count for this is 24 words, just you can see here, and he's selling for $2.99. And if you'll click on get prompt, then you will get redirected to the payment page, and in this way even you can buy the particular prompts that can help your business to grow. So I will show you even the ChatGPT prompts here onto this particular website. So these are some of the GPT prompts, just you can see here. These are newest prompts. Then help with the luggage, this is the name of a prompt. Then these are some of the amazing prompts that are created by some of the sellers across the world. So you can create the account, and then you can make money by selling these particular prompts, and this is very growing industry, so it can help you to achieve your financial goal that you have set for the year 2023. So yeah, this was a video based on the platform named as Prompt Base, and this is not sponsored video, just I'm telling the particular platform that can help you all guys. So I will be making videos related to an AI. Also I would like to tell my course that I have created based on ChatGPT, how you can create money using the ChatGPT in 101 different ways. So come to the website, that is aiconvo.in, and if you are not interested in seeing this, just you can leave it out, no worries. So just you go through the curriculum, and if you use the code elon20, you will get rupees 400 off, and the final course price will be 1499. And till date, today is I think 6th of March, and 680 students have registered, and 148 have even given the 5 stars. So this is it, then please do check it out. And this was a video of the prompt based marketplace for the prompts. So I hope you like this video. I will meet you into the next video, and please do like, share, subscribe. I will be making videos related to AI tools, artificial intelligence, data science, etc. So if you wanted to know more about the technology, please do like, share, and subscribe with your friends. Thank you for watching. I will meet you into the next video. Till then, bye.